Hello everyone, thanks for watching the video. Just got home from buying this remote control bird. It is from Zing. Never heard of it. Actually got this from the bargain bin at Bargain Hunt. May make a good gift. Matter of fact, kind of gave me the idea is it has to and from. So yeah, may make a good gift. It's a little lightweight bird. See, it's got double wings. 2 on each side. Got a remote control. Now the remote control has you're supposed to put 2. I'm thinking it's kind of heavy, so it may have them in there already. But you're supposed to put 2 AAA batteries, not included. And then this is really all the instructions I have. Now you're supposed to charge the lithium battery with the USB. And then the lithium battery will go on the bird there. So we have 2 already. That's the little motor. Yeah, so kind of cool. All right, I'll go over these a little more. Try to figure out how to fly it. Maybe we can do that today. Maybe a little stand here. So I'll get back in a little bit. Go-Go Bird comes with a small screwdriver, and we can unscrew the back of the battery cover with that. And be careful you don't lose it like I just did. And there's batteries already in it, so looks like someone has already owned this and returned it, so hopefully it still works. Batteries. Okay, yeah, there's a green light. I pushed the button here. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but there is a green battery light right there. So yeah, these batteries should be good. Plug my Go-Go lithium battery into my laptop. Now I've got a red and green light. I'm thinking that when it's fully charged, I'll just have the green light, but I'm not sure. I'll let you know. This should last about 20 minutes per charge. And we have 2, so I guess if you're going to do some long, serious flying, you could go ahead and start charging your second one when you put this one into the bird. Okay, yeah, here's green light on the full charge. Took 15 minutes for that. Here's my battery that is supposed to be fully charged. Just lining it up with the slots right there. Okay, it's in all the way. Press our button. Okay, just a solid green immediately. Beautiful. So you press it on, off. Here will be the control of the directional controls. Here's some maneuvers, I guess. So we have speed up, slow down, left turn, right turn. Here is the on button for the remote. What you do is you just kind of hold it in your hand and let it fly out of your hand. Right here is where you power it. Of course, you got to turn it on. All right, and then power it up. I really don't know what I'm doing. This thing is all the way over there on those steps. I mean, that's a good 100 yards. And it went as high as those pine trees up there. I mean, it says it will go 200 foot high. So I don't know what I'm doing very well with the controller. So we're going to go retrieve it and we're going to start over. So we've got about 8 mile an hour winds. Let's turn it off because I'm going to go back across the field and start over. Yeah, I did know that I was going to need a huge space to do this. A lot of solitude, especially since I don't know how to fly it. And we're going to try it again. Going over to the tree line, wanted to stop it. Battery needs to be charged. We got the red blinking light, and you could tell, maybe you could tell, I could tell that it was losing power. Let's go ahead and turn it completely off. Yeah, it was losing power, wasn't flying as high. So that's it for Zing Go Bird. Works pretty well, I think. I think it's paired very well with the remote control. I just don't know how to use it very good, so I've got to practice quite a bit. The thing is with this, you want to make sure that you've got a really pretty big size open field. If you get it caught in any trees, you're probably going to tear this up because it's very fragile. However, it is sized and pieced together very well, I think, measured very well, very accurate the way it is designed. So yeah, it's not very bad at all. Actually, it's really pretty good. 2 batteries come with it. I've been out here messing around with it for about 40 minutes, and one of my batteries is already dead. So I've got the backup battery here. However, I'm going to call it a day for Go Bird. Hope it's been helpful. If you're interested in this product, thanks for watching. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.